No BS sent me all of these vegan, cruelty-free products that have no bad stuff in them. I'm going to show you what each of these does. All-day acne healing patches that flatten pimples and extract impurities. Their sealed moist environment protects against bacteria and prevents scarring for clear, healthy skin. They're invisible, waterproof, and fast-acting. Vitamin C and E serum with antioxidants like pomegranate, hyaluronic acid, and green tea to restore cells and boost collagen. No preservatives, no phthalates, no sulfates, no synthetic fragrances, gluten-free, and never tested on animals. Antioxidant CoQ10 cream with coenzyme Q10, an antioxidant that defends against collagen damage. Hyaluronic acid and jojoba oil smooths the appearance of lines and softens so your skin looks bouncy. Refreshing, rejuvenating. Oh, you can see that glow. Caffeine eye cream with squalane, hyaluronic acid, quinoa seed extract. Looking better already. Intensive overnight pimple patches with salicylic acid, calamine, and hydrocolloid. Day and night hyaluronic cream with jojoba oil, apricot oil, hyaluronic acid, and retinol night cream with aloe vera, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid. No bad stuff.